Folgore Milano is an Italian manufacturer, and their products have an Italian design to them. They have a symmetry that other brands do not have. They also offer colored door options so you can customize the look of the product as you would like. You can actually even order the logo with a customized signature on it to really give it a unique flavor. The product also has a unique matte finish porcelain top that is different than other products in the industry that offer a black shiny porcelain or a stainless steel top offering a different color, which gives it again an Italian design. IronX blast chillers are unique in our market and are really probably ahead of their time. They are very popular in commercial applications. However, if a customer has a home garden or leftovers that they may want to retain in their freezer, they can actually blast chill them to lock in their nutrients and flavors. You can also take your leftovers and you can blast chill them and then reconstitute them when you're ready to eat them, which is very unique. We have a lot of unique hood fan options and a lot of different options that we can help the customer narrow down depending on their specific application. We have options that can be over the counter in an island application, a downdraft when needed, under a cabinet, a chimney application, or we can even do a custom insert into a custom hood fan. We have a manufacturer of hood fans called Falmec that have a product called NRS, which is Noise Reduction System. They are the quietest hood fans that we carry and are dramatically quieter than most other products in the industry. They offer a sound deadening material around their motor and their ducting that reduce the sound volume dramatically. So we have many options and we will help them to narrow down exactly what suits their particular project. Dual fuel ranges have gained in popularity as the current generation purchasing ranges have grown up on electric ovens. In the past, ovens were typically a gas top with a gas oven, but now with dual fuel technology, you have benefits such as true convection, self-cleaning that didn't exist in prior models. Folgore Milano actually offers two series, one called Sofia, which is their high-end Pro series, and they offer the Accento series, which is an affordable range. Both are fantastic and offer Italian styling, but at two different price points. Folgore Milano is produced in Italy. However, we have a distributor in Canada that imports both the products and their parts. They also offer us a service support, which we don't see from most brands, and we can actually get Folgore Milano repaired sooner than most brands that are produced in North America.